You can watch YouTube TV on your Vizio Smart TV by installing the app and signing in. Here's how to set it up step by step. Step 1. Turn on your Vizio Smart TV and ensure it's connected to your Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Press the V button or SmartCast Home button on your remote to open the App Store. Step 3. Navigate to the Apps section and search for YouTube TV. Step 4. Select Install to download the app to your Vizio TV. Wait for the installation to complete. Step 5. Open the YouTube TV app. You will see an activation code on the screen. Step 6. On a phone or computer, visit tv.youtube.com/start. Enter the activation code and sign in with your Google account associated with YouTube TV. Step 7. Once signed in, your channels, DVR recordings, and on-demand content will load. You can now browse the live guide, library, and personalized recommendations. Step 8. Make sure your app and TV firmware are updated to access the latest features and avoid glitches. After setup, you can enjoy YouTube TV on your Vizio Smart TV just like any other smart TV. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.